Next section, transfer of learning or training. Overview. In education, transfer of learning or transfer of knowledge or transfer refers to learning in one context and applying it to another. That is, the capacity to apply acquired knowledge and skills to new environment or situation. Transfer of training is supreme concern of training researchers and practitioners. Transfer of training is effectively and continuously applying the knowledge, skills or attitudes that were learned in your learning environment to the job environment. Closely related to this concept is transfer of learning, the application of skills, knowledge and attitudes that were learned in one situation to another learning situation. This increases the speed of learning. Can you define transfer of learning? Transfer of learning may be defined as the application of knowledge, skill, habits, attitudes, etc. acquired in one situation to other situation for which they were not specifically learned. Types of transfer of learning. First type, positive transfer. Knowledge help a student learn new skill. Second, negative transfer. Previous topic hurt, difficult to student learn other language. 3. Zero transfer. Old skill or knowledge have no effect on learning new skill or knowledge. Theories of transfer of learning. First, theory of formal discipline. Second, Thorndike's theory of identical elements. 3. Jude's theory of generalization. 4. Gestalt theory of transformation. 5. Bagle's theories of ideas. 6. Mental discipline. Detail going on. First, theory of formal discipline. Learning mathematics improves logical reasoning by means of an experiment. Second, Thorndike's theory of identical elements. Level of training. Transfer depends on the level of similarity between training and performance. Environment. 3. Jude's theory of generalization. Significant one situation to transfer other superior situation. 4. Gestalt theory of transformation. Understanding the fact and perception of similarity by the learner. 5. Begel's theories of ideas. When ideas are stressed or examined, then transfer of learning. 6. Mental discipline. Mind is the central position, trained through muscular and physical training. Factors affecting transfer of learning. First, learner related factors: age, intelligence, personality, attitudes, ability. Second, related to situation: nature of subject, learning materials, opportunities available. 3. Clear-cut objectives. 4. Emphasize relationship. 5. Use project method. 6. Overview of lesson. 7. Plan the sequences. 8. Regular knowledge and feedback. 9. Discuss method of teaching. 10. Give many examples. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.